If you enjoy this reading, please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you so much.
2 by 2 equals boo. A set of spooky multiplication stories. Lauren Leedy wrote this. Ooh, there's a big pumpkin. These are the contents. How do you make a vampire disappear? How do you turn one bag of candy into 5 bags? How do you double a moose head? All you have to do is multiply. The first chapter is about multiplying with 0. The next chapter is about multiplying with the number 1. Keep going, and by the time you've read all the stories, you will know the multiplication facts from 0 to 5. Have fun! It says Chapter 0, The Disappearing Zero. I'll only be in the store for a few minutes. Okay, Griselda. Wait here, Inkling, I have some shopping to do. See you later, Length. Hi, my boss is buying frog toes. How quaint. She happens to be a very talented witch. I'm sure. Just the other day, a nasty vampire attacked us, so Griselda multiplied him by 0. 1 times 0 equals 0. Poof! He disappeared and made the vampire vanish. I know, 1 vampire times 0 equals 0 vampires. Well, Jinx can multiply too. 2 huge bats grabbed me last week, so she cried. 2 times 0 equals 0. Ooh. Poof, poof. Get it? 2 bats times 0 equals 0 bats. Big deal. 3 angry snakes were chasing us, so Griselda yelled, 3 times 0 equals 0. On the run. See? 3 snakes times 0 equals 0 snakes. Impressive. So what? 4 enormous spiders jumped us, so Jinx shouted, 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 spiders times 0 equals 0 spiders. Well, hoop-de-doo, 5 ghosts surrounded us, and Griselda just screamed, 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 ghosts times 0 equals 0 ghosts. Poof! They disappeared. Griselda is the best witch in town. Jinx is 10 times better. Oh, yeah? This is for you. 1 times 0 equals 0. And this is for you. 1 times 0 equals 0. Here, kitty, kitty. They disappeared on each other. Here, kitty, kitty. Inkling, where are you? And there's their colors, see? The red color, the pink color. Alright, let's see what's next. Chapter 1. One more time. Hi, Dr. Albert. Trick or treat. Hello, Nelson. You must come see my latest invention. Okay, but I want to get more candy. I'll show you how to increase the amount you already have. This is my new multiplication machine. We'll put your 1 bag of candy inside and push some numbers. They put it inside here. Enter equation, it says. Zoop. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. So they have 3 bags. They're multiplying it. 4 times 1 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can start with 1 bag of candy, then multiply it by the number of bags I want. Let's try a big number, like 99. 99 times 1 equals 99. Wait, the machine is rumbling. It's going to... Boom! Wow! Thank you, Dr. Albert. You're welcome, Nelson. Chapter 2, Seeing Double. I can't believe that Mom expects me to clean this entire attic. Just look at all this old junk. Whose glasses are these? Dr. Spook's double vision spectacles. Directions. Put on glasses and stare at something. Multiply by 2, the item will double. Ooh. Okay, I'll try it on that goofy moose's head. 1 times 2 equals 2. Wow, 2 moose heads. She did a spell on this moose and said 1 times 2 equals 2. Boing! 1, 2. Let's double these. 2 wrinkly boots. 2 times 2, that's the doubling, equals what? 4 boots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing! How about these? 3 old hats. 3 times 2 equals, she's staring at them, 6! Hee-hee! 6 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Next, these 4 raggedy brooms. Bzz, she's looking at them. 4 times 2 equals 8, she says. Now, she has twice as many, 8 brooms. 4 and 4. This is one group, 4 and 4. So the 2 groups, 4 times 2. Now, these 5 dusty books, 5 times 2 equals 10. She's staring at them. That's 10 books. What can I double next? Zelda, have you finished cleaning up there yet? Not quite, Mom! Oh no, it's going to take twice as long with all this extra stuff. She's supposed to be cleaning up. She's making more of everything. Hey, I have a great idea. I'll use this mirror to double myself. 1 times 2 equals 2. She's going to make 2 of herself so she can help herself clean up. Zelda, what's taking you so long? Eek! Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Oh, no. Now she has 2 Zelda daughters. Chapter 3, Triple Scare. Look at those crows eating our corn. We need a scarecrow. The garden is so large, we better make 3 scarecrows. Pumpkins make good heads. 1 pumpkin times 3 equals 3 pumpkins. 1 times 3 equals 3. Crow thinks, what's going on? Each head needs 2 eyes. 2 eyes times 3 equals 6 eyes. 1, 2, 3. We need 2, 2, and 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 eyes. Each mouth needs 3 teeth. 3 teeth times 3 equals 9 teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Each body will need 2 arms and 2 legs, which makes 4 limbs. Sometimes they call arms and legs limbs. 4 limbs times 3 equals 12 limbs. 4 times 3 equals 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They're right. Give each scarecrow 5 strings for hair. 5 strings times 3 equals 15 strings for hair. 5 times 3 equals 15. Did she say scarecrows? I better warn the others. The crow's figuring this out. He doesn't like scarecrows. Let's get him. Let's go outside and scare those crows. Booga, 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 booga. Shh. Okay. He's telling them to be quiet. Caw, 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 caw. Help, a giant crow. Oh, they outfoxed him, or outcrowed him. Well done, Riley. They made themselves into a giant crow shape. Scared them back. That was cute. Chapter 4. Foresight.
Hey, you're taking too many cookies.
That's because I am so much bigger. How wide are your wings?
About a foot.
See, my wings are 4 feet wide. I'm 4 times bigger than you, so I should get 4 times as much.
Oh, that doesn't seem fair, does it?
1 times 4 equals 4, so if I get 1 cookie, you get 4 cookies?
You've got it.
2 times 4 equals 8. Then if I get 2 rotten apples, you get 8.
Well, yes.
3 times 4 equals 12. And if I get 3 slimy worms, you get 12.
Eee.
4 times 4 equals 16. When I get 4 stinky fish, you get 16.
Phew.
Oh boy. This little guy's outsmarting this guy, isn't he?
5 times 4 equals 20. Oof. And when I get 5 warty toads, you get 20.
Forget it, I'm leaving.
He says.
Looks like I'll have to eat these cookies all by myself.
What about us?
You're gonna share with the frogs. Frogs don't eat cookies, and neither do bats, for that matter. Chapter 5. Boo Stew. Mr. Bones, we must get the stew ready for my dinner party tonight.
Yes, Mrs. Tibia.
This recipe is only for 1 serving, but there will be 5 of us.
Don't worry, I can multiply each ingredient by 5.
That's a good use of multiplication.
For cooking.
Splendid. First I'll call for 1 bouncy eyeball.
1 times 5 is 5. That'll be 5 bouncy eyeballs.
Fine. Next it says 2 knobby knuckles.
2 times 5 equals 10. 10 knuckles coming up.
3 pointy ears.
3 times 5 equals 15. 15 ears.
Whoosh.
4 smelly toes.
4 times 5 equals 20. 20 toes.
Last but not least, 5 scaly tails.
5 times 5 equals 25. 25 tails with scales. Now it has to simmer a while.
Later. The stew smells wonderful. Let me take a peek.
Boo! Ah! It's perfect, Mr. Bones. You're a genius.
Why, thank you, Miss Tibia.
Turn the page for just the facts, he says. He's thinking, actually. Here we go. This is what we just did. The zeros, ones, twos, threes, fours, and fives. You can look at this page for a while and see they're right. Okay, this cat says, any number times 0 will equal 0. We know that's for sure. Any number times 1 will equal that number itself. Even a really big number? Oh yes, even a really big number. You can double any number by multiplying it by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 3 times 2 becomes 6. 4 times 2 becomes 8. 5 times 2 becomes 10. To triple a number, just multiply it by 3. If I multiply by 4, I get 4 times as much.
Don't touch those cookies.
1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20.
Here are 5 desserts for tonight.
Got mouths. Eek! I love scream puffs. Ooh!
You can do the 5s on your own.
Ooh!
Now that's what I call a multiplication table. The end. Thanks for watching, friends.